Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have the basics ready. Same Apple ID and iCloud notes enabled. Now open settings on your iPhone and tap your name to verify iCloud. Once done, toggle notes on so the account is active. On your Mac or iPad, open System Settings or Settings and ensure Notes is checked under iCloud. Make sure devices are on Wi-Fi and connected to power if you expect many notes. This speeds up sync. You're starting the transfer immediately. Don't close apps that might interrupt the sync. Next, focus on where notes live and how to move them. Open Notes and tap Folders to reveal iCloud storage. You'll see all iCloud or specific folders. If notes exist only on the device, tap Edit, select, and move them into an iCloud folder. This ensures they appear on all devices. Check Settings Notes accounts to remove or consolidate duplicate accounts that might cause confusion. Once notes are in iCloud folders, the system queues them to upload. Wait a few minutes for the changes to propagate. Finally, confirm everything arrived on your iPhone and complete the task. Open Notes on the phone and pull down in the list to refresh. This forces a sync. If notes are still missing, visit iCloud. Com from a browser to verify they uploaded from the source device. For stubborn issues, toggle notes off and on in iCloud settings, restart the device, or sign out and back into your Apple ID. These actions refresh authentication and sync tokens. If problems persist, update iOS. Outdated software can block proper syncing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.